Hello Python students, I want to talk about files. Files is anything that stores data. For example, I have a spreadsheet here that has a phone log. It has the item number, the day, the date, the time, a phone number, where it was called to, the minutes, and the rate code. We see it in Excel like this, but if I hit save, and I'm saving it as a text, comma, separated value file, and if I go out over into Windows and I open it up, not using Excel, but using something like Notepad, this is what the data looks like. You can see we have the rows going down this way, and we have the columns going across this way. So item, day, date, time, number, etc. And here's the data each row. And what separates the data is a comma. That's why it's called a comma separated values. With files, you can output and you can input. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to change the last one to say the 10th and make it Sunday. I'm going to shut down Excel for a moment and I say don't save. And you can see I changed that last record and I'm going to save it or output it to the disk. And now if I open it using Excel, you should see the data has changed to Sunday. So I outputted it here and I inputted it here. Python has three modes that we're going to study in this class. One is input, where we read each record one at a time into our program, and output, where our program will write data out to the file.